So your clutch issue is sorted out, right, Wasim? Your clutch issue, I mean the clutch cable issue is sorted out, right? Not yet. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು
ಏನೋ ಆಯಿತು.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಮಿಡಿಗಳು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಗಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರು, ನನಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
What we do here is go back.
Yo guys, this is your friend Dhananjay reporting to you on Bank to W, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am on my Dominar 400, alright, and guess where am I going to? Yes, I am heading towards the Kalyani Bajaj showroom because it's my first free service that I'm gonna get it from the Bajaj, and this is where I'm gonna get to know how good is the Bajaj in servicing the Dominar 400. Have I got any problems until the first service? Yes, I do have got the problems. I'll let you know now because I got the problems after I made the ownership review. I mean, I started recognizing the problems after the ownership review. There are not much problems. There was just one single problem in my bike, in my Dominar 400, and there was another kind of a major problem. Both are major if you see into that, but I find the major one was my friend Wasim's Dominar 400, the white one. Which, if you have seen the delivery of my Dominar 400 and my buddy's Wasim Ahmed's Dominar 400. So let me start with Wasim's problem, what he had faced. He is yet to leave the bike for his first servicing, and the problem that he got was his clutch cable. The clutch cable was completely damaged. I don't know, it was like completely stuck. That's what he mentioned. But I wasn't there at that point of time, so I'm not aware of it. How were the circumstances that he could reach the showroom at least with the clutch cable problem. So there was no towing of bike or something. He rode the bike to the showroom along with the clutch problem, whatever he had, and then later on the Bajaj showroom guys actually got the clutch cable, the complete clutch cable itself replaced for completely free of cost. I have to fuel the bike. There is absolutely no fuel in the bike. Car ತಗೊಂತೀರಲ್ಲ? Alright, so I've not fueled the bike much because I'm leaving it for servicing, because I would be requiring the fuel after my servicing is done. So I just fueled it for 200 bucks. That's more than enough. So yeah, where was I? I was actually, my friend Wasim had faced the problem, and the problem was solved for free of cost. Now what's my problem that I'm facing prior to my first service, and I'm gonna show it to you instead of, you know, just talking about it. The problem can lead to major things. I'm gonna let the showroom guys know, and if the Bajaj Dominar team is gonna look at this video, please give me some assistance or help me out of this, because I'm also gonna let the servicing guys know in the Kalyani Bajaj. Let me stop the bike here and show you guys that what is the problem that I'm facing currently. Right, so the problem that I'm facing is I could see leakage of oil over here near the oil filter place. That's where now I'm not sure why it's not leaking. I took the toolkit out of the Bajaj Dominar's toolkit that you get in the bike, and I just tightened up these two bolts. So right now there's no any leakage, but I'm gonna let know that you could see oil out from here little bit on the oil filter side and here on the cowl as well. So I'm gonna get that thing fixed. So let's see how it's gonna be. Yeah, that's the hazard switch that I've got installed from my bike mechanic, the Ibrahim, of course, from Motor Junction. You're not supposed to take a right turn from here. You know what I do? I don't break the rule. Yeah, of course I don't break the rule. I just take a left and take a right from the divider. So look at this guy. He's taking it from here itself. But what I'm gonna do is go a bit far ahead over there. You can see that board there. Right. So from here I take a right. Right, now I'm gonna head straight towards the Makery Circle. Yes, I'm riding the Dominar 400 with my chappals on there. So you're free to comment whatever you want to. I find it comfortable, man. I don't think, you have to wear riding boots and riding jacket and gloves on everywhere you're going. Come on. It's my comfortability. Servicing. Right, so I've left the bike now and I'm with my friend Wasim. So I also informed them about the oil filter, the oil leakage at that point of time. So they told like it's just the O-ring which has to be replaced in order for the oil not to leak. So right, so I'm not sure. They told like they're gonna get the bike around like 3 p.m. or 4. So at that point of time I'll be making another video, right? So I'll show you the pre-servicing and after servicing footage as well in this video. Right, so take care. Ciao, see you there. Bye. 3:37 a.m. and I'm again heading to the showroom. So I had got a confirmation message as well stating the servicing of the bike is done and you can come and collect the bike before 6:30 p.m. or the parking, yeah, you have some parking charges. So your clutch issue is sorted out, right, Wasim? Your clutch issue, the clutch cable issue is sorted out, right? Not yet. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ
ಆಯ್ತು
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಮಿಡಿಗಳು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಗಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರು, ನನಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. And anyways, this is my friend Wasim's Dominar 400 in white color. If you like the white color, please hit the like button there, okay? So I've got the bike now. And I also told him about the problem, the oil leakages which I had over here in the oil filter section. So the O-ring is changed for this and it's been taken care by the service specialist called Madhu and Anthony. Hell of a good guys, man, they are. So let's see. Everything has been taken care. I've done with my first servicing. So the bike has got a smooth feel to it. Oh my god, the gear is like pretty soft. It's nice. What is the difference I can feel? Not much difference, but the gear shifting has gone really smooth. So the gear shifting has completely gone smooth there. There's not even that click sound. It's just like the sound is unnoticeable. It's that smooth. Hats off Bajaj guys. And the oil leakage thing, I'm gonna let you know guys as soon as I reach my home. I'm gonna see for any oil leakages there at the oil filter cap side.